Hi everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing two Wantdo men's rain jackets. They did send me these products to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in any of the products that you see here, the links to them will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check them out, and do your shopping from there. You can see the nice retail packaging for the men's jackets. So we have their logo and branding right here. So it says Wantdo right front and center. Then we can flip it around too to reveal their logo and branding again. And we have a nice transparent bag so we can actually see the jacket. And this jacket also has identical packaging. I really like the design of this bag. It's really creative and it's really cool. It's just not your typical product packaging. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. You can see we got the Wantdo tag on the front, and if we flip it over, we have our size on the back. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the black jacket in more detail. At the top of the jacket, you can see the nice hood that's fully adjustable. So we have two options to adjust it right here. Then we can see the zipper and the buttons that run all the way down the front of the jacket. Then we have your two hand pockets right here, one on each side, that button close. Then we have your arm right here. You can see the seam and the stitching. And we have an adjustable cuff down here that just uses Velcro. Same can be said for the other arm as well. It's identical. And we have your adjustable cuff right there. We can flip the jacket over so you can see it from the back. We have the hood and we have a seam that runs down the center of the back of the jacket. Now we can flip it back over and we can unzip it to reveal the inside of the jacket right here. So you can see we have their branding and our size. And what's really important is they have fully taped seams. So every seam in this jacket is fully taped to keep you nice and dry and protected from the elements. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the gray jacket. At the top of the jacket, you can see we have a fully adjustable hood on both sides. Then we have a button revealing the zipper with Velcro running all the way down the center of the jacket to reveal two zipped pockets for your hands, one on each side. Then we can look at the sleeves and see where the shoulder and the arm seam meets. So we can see some of the stitching in the seam right there. Then at the bottom, you can see we have adjustable cuffs with Velcro. The other side is identical as well with the same adjustable cuffs. We can flip the jacket over to reveal the hood from the back side. We can see some of the seams and stitching running along the shoulders and the upper back. And then we can look at the bottom right here and you can see we have some adjustments as well down here. Now we can flip it back over to unzip the jacket. So again, we have a button and Velcro to undo to open it up. So then we can just unzip it to reveal their branding again and the size for the jacket right there. And you can see this jacket also has taped seams and it's made out of really lightweight material. Now let's go ahead, let's try them on. So I currently have on the men's long black rain jacket. Everything fits great, and as you would expect, it's very comfortable and lightweight. I'm really happy with the length too. I really like how everything looks. You can see on the front too, the zipper starts about a quarter of the way up on the jacket. We have nice pockets on the front for our hands. We can check it out from the side and from the back. Now we can go ahead, we can put the hood on too. So we have the hood on right now and we can see that from the side and how it looks on the back. So everything fits great, really breathable and true to size. Now let's go ahead, let's try on the gray jacket. As you can see, everything on the gray jacket fits great. It's definitely true to size as well. We can look at it from the side. We can check it out from the back. Here it is from the other side. Now we can go ahead, we can put our hands in the front pockets. Very comfortable and a really nice feature. The jacket's lightweight and breathable. Now we can go ahead, we can put the hood on as well. So you can see that from the front, from the side, and from the back. Now let's go ahead, let's test out the jackets and see how they do in the rain. So we're in the rain right now with the black jacket on and it's holding up really nicely. We have a lot of moisture coming down right now. So we can turn to this side. You can see it. And from the back, it's holding up really nicely. As you can see, it's holding the moisture and it's wicking the moisture along the top of the jacket and then flushing it right off. So we'll stand in the rain for another minute just to see how it holds up long term. But so far, nothing to report back that's unusual. Now let's go ahead, let's take the jacket off and see if any of our clothes got wet. So I have the black jacket off right now, and as you can see, there's no wet marks or wet spots or anything on the sweatshirt. I specifically wore gray, so you guys would be able to see if there were any wet spots, but it kept us 100% dry. Now let's try out the gray jacket. Now we're in the rain with the gray rain jacket on, and everything's holding up just fine. So you can see the moisture just beating right off the jacket on the sleeves and everywhere else where it's making contact. We can check it out from this side, the other side, the back side. It's keeping me 100% dry, and it's doing a really good job here in the rain. We'll just stay for another second just to see how everything continues to hold up. I'm dripping wet, but it's just staying on the jacket, and then it's running right off. Now let's go ahead, let's take the jacket off and see if we got wet anywhere. So I have the gray jacket off right now, and it did a fantastic job keeping me dry. I'm 100% dry. There's no water spots anywhere on my sweatshirt, on the front or the back. It didn't leak in anywhere, and I'm really impressed with this jacket. So overall, I'm really happy and pleased with both jackets. They're definitely true to size, and they're actually 100% waterproof, so I'm really impressed with their quality. Wantdo has so many different styles, sizes, and colors online. You'll be able to find the jacket that fits your needs. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.